What in the world is going on, guys? It's John Boy here, and today I'm going to be making a little photo. I have this part here at the end of a video, and I wanted to put a photo, something here to say, check out my YouTube channel, and a picture and stuff. So I went over, and I have a black photo, and I also got this picture. Now, what I'm gonna start off by doing is going into here, selecting this, right clicking it, and open with Paint 3D. 3D. But and then it'll do this, and as you can see, that's a very small square. And if we paste that other picture in, it won't fit. So what you want to do is, and I'm apparently just lost it. It's right here, crop. Now you're gonna want to just simply basically just make a bigger square. Make it as big as you want. And all about that should do. And then come over to brush and select the fill, and make sure you select black or the color that you want. And I'm just gonna put it like that. That's good. And then now all I've got to do is go over to stickers, and this is how I paste in photos and add a sticker. Now I go into documents and for video editing, where I have saved the picture here. This. Now I'm gonna make this a little smaller, and I'm gonna put it up there and check mark it there. Now it's in there really well, really pretty good. And you could add text, so select where you want it to be, and you can also select the size of it over here. And yes, you could say basically, make sure to change the color here. See, so you can type random whatever you want there. Now I'm going to want to put it down over here, so I'm gonna select here and try to make it look even as best as you can now, and then simply type what you need to type. Put a slightly smaller and to out my and then there. I think that should be good. And then just click off of it, and there you go. You now have a nice, yeah. Now you could also go to brush here and maybe add in like a little bit of green here. Let's make it more kind of a little darker. There we go. Okay. Now you could also now if you want this, or you could even do like gloss. You can change it all out, so you can paint stuff all in here or do what you want. I haven't really played around with this a lot, but this is actually kind of just what I'm doing now. But I believe if you were to go to crayon, you could kind of add like a faint if you really wanted to, like around the borders too. But yeah, that's that, and I think that's gonna be about it. So this is how I make video thumbnails and stuff like that. So yeah, and then it's gonna hit Control S and exit out of it. Now I believe when you go to Documents and in here, now you're gonna wanna make another one because it just redid everything. But as you can see, I no longer have a perfect black photo, but instead I have this. As soon as it loads, it's not loading. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.